this video, you will learn or review how to divide with decimals. Note paper set up. Here's the problem that we'll be working with. 66 5/10 divided by 3 5/10. The first thing to know is that your divisor must be a whole number. And so you're going to convert 3.5 to a whole number by, in this case, multiplying by 10, which would move the decimal point over here. The second thing that you would do would be to do the exact same thing with the dividend. So you're going to multiply 66 5/10 times 10, and that's going to move the decimal point right there. You're ready now to place the decimal point in the quotient and divide as usual. So my big fat decimal point, and now I'll be dividing. I'm going to pause it while you're dividing. I'll be dividing. So 66 5/10 divided by 3 5/10 is 19. And you can go ahead. You may actually want to do that. Double check the work. Multiplying 3.5 times 19. The next problem we'll do is 37 8/10 divided by 14 hundredths. So remembering our first step is to convert the divisor to a whole number. In this case, when we're moving the decimal point, we would need to multiply by hundredths. So now there is the 14. And of course, step 2 is we have to do the same conversion to the dividend. So we'd multiply 100. But wait, oh no, there's no number there. So of course you put a 0 there as a placeholder. And the decimal point gets moved up there. And here is the result. So 37 8/10 divided by 14 hundredths is 270. As you can imagine, a common error would say that the answer is 27. But go ahead and double check. Use a calculator. Multiply 14 hundredths by 270 and see what you come up with. And I bet you came up with 37 8/10. By the way, anytime I'm asking you to double check your work by either multiplying or dividing, in this case it was multiplying, you're welcome to use a calculator. It's what real life people do. So this was a lesson about how to, reviewing or teaching how to divide with decimals. Now go have fun, take your time, and practice.